Would you like to wake up finding out that you've earned money whilst you slept?
Yeah. In this video, I'll share with you what I have done, which has led to me earning money whilst I sleep. But first, here's evidence that it's worked for me. My Udemy earnings, which is split across 3 accounts: Shutterstock earnings, Adobe Stock earnings, Skillshare earnings, and YouTube earnings. Wait, that's not right. I'm not in the partnership program yet. Those are all passive income streams which, now they are uploaded to the internet, have the potential to generate an income. And all of those have done just that for me. And quite literally, whilst I've slept, or gone on holiday, or been playing games. Even right now, whilst I'm speaking to you. Now, I consider there to be 5 key reasons as to how I got myself into my current position. The first is that you need to be prepared to take risks. For example, if I'd like to win the lottery, I have to take the risk of losing this investment to have a chance of winning big.
Now, that of course is gambling with a pure chance of winning big that you can't influence, other than buying more tickets.
The success of your project, however, can be influenced by how good your product is. Getting that product in front of your customers, though, is another matter. And when I say you need to take risks, I don't necessarily mean you've got to inject some cash into building a passive income stream with the possibility of not seeing a return. What is more likely is that you'll need to be prepared to invest time into your project, and you'll need to prepare yourself for the possibility that it could all amount to nothing. I have experienced a lot of time sunk into creating an online course, this one here, which ended up doing quite poorly. But I have these 3 which have done quite well for the product that they are. And let's face it, you must be pretty smart and motivated if you're watching this video. So I'm sure you'll be fine. The second key point is to get a quick win. I first embarked on a journey to create an online course, which was a big and long effort. Partway through, I decided to upload some images to stock photography websites to get the taste of passive income, even if they were low amounts. And it worked. Even if it was only $4 in the first month, it didn't matter. It gave me the hunger to earn in a better way, and in my opinion, start to unlock a healthier lifestyle. It gave me the confidence boost to keep going with my courses, as it gave me a taster of what could be to come. Where thankfully, my courses did better than I expected that they would, and they still earn money 6 years on. Your quick win doesn't have to be with stock photography. I think it's important though for it to be a low effort entry point into earning in the comfort of your own home to encourage you with your larger projects. Prolific surveys or Amazon shopper panel tasks, though not passive, might have a similar effect. See the description for links to those videos. My third point is to start with something that you know. I can make a sponge cake off the top of my head, so I know I'll definitely complete it and get the reward at the end. Whereas if I were to create a lemon meringue pie, which for me requires learning, I might start making it but give up halfway through as it became more difficult than I expected. You can go ambitious later. What we're angling for here is affirmation that your efforts will be rewarded. So starting with something that you have some familiarity with will give you an understanding of what you're going to have to do. And if you know what's to come, you're less likely to be put off completing the job. Of my passive income streams, basically all of them are built upon something that I knew, at least partially. I studied engineering, where all of my current online courses are on engineering, something I'm intending to branch out on, by the way. In doing this, the effort required to create something was lower. I didn't have to learn everything, just aspects. I knew how to conduct engineering calculations and teach it. I just had to work out how to get it online and meet the requirements of the Udemy platform. The fourth key point is to build your opportunities, and this doubles up on the first point.
In the example of making courses, you might upload to Udemy, for example. What you could do is upload to Skillshare as well.
Not doing so would be like going to the shop, seeing a buy one get one free offer on your favorite snack, and just taking one. You've lost out. So I made this course on Udemy, then put it on Skillshare. I also have this image portfolio which I put on Shutterstock, and then I uploaded it to Adobe Stock. I think we should maximize the possibilities of our assets or products getting sales, and to me that means using multiple platforms. And the last reason why I earn money whilst I sleep is because I got started. Check out this video for some of the easiest ways in which I think that you could get started.